Hi, it's Lynette and thank you for joining me today. So today, come here. Hello, come here. No, Poppy's down there. I'm just going to try and pick it up and show you. But she decided she's not playing that game. So she's, what? That's rude. Pardon. She's decided she's going to play with some bubble wrap. She's more interested in playing with bubble wrap and eating my kitchen roll. So if she comes over, I'll try and get her to come up and say hello. She's a wee monkey, aren't you? So, I want to do a wee quick video. And this is something that What? Pardon? This is something that I have been doing for a wee while. It's Influenster. So I got one of my first kind of facial kind of products, face care product range. But I just thought talk about a little bit about this box, but also how do you get Influenster? Well, first of all, I find it best to download the app or go to the website, which I'll share the app in the description below. And then you complete your profile. So mine says things like, you know, the condition of my hair, my skin, if you've got kids, if you've got animals, you put everything down there. And then you start to do what they call snaps. So that's reviews of different products that you might have used. You can also upload your own reviews, which I've done a few of that, and you collect some followers. They also ask if you have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and I think they ask for links to those. Now, that is because when you share your snaps, predominantly I think I share mine to Instagram, when you share your review, when you get a box, so that's why they know. And it also gives them a number. So I only had a couple of hundred on my YouTube at the time, and probably about 800 on Instagram, maybe about the same on Facebook. So it's not about people who've got tens of thousands of followers. You know, you might get them quicker if you've got tens of thousands of followers, I don't know. So for me, I went in constantly updating snaps, things I had tried, and months and months and months of reviews, and being really good at it, following lots of people would follow me back, and I just thought, nothing's happening. I went on YouTube, I did lots of videos, how to get a box, and basically it just said keep doing all the things that I've mentioned, and I was really quite impatient, and nothing happened for me. Some people it happens for really quickly, but for me after 6 months nothing happened. So to be honest with you, I think I deleted the app and forgot all about it, and then I got a survey saying, you know, we've got this offer, would you be interested? So you go back through and you update, you know, so I've got dry hair that's curly, that's, you know, you know, maybe colour treated. It's not, I'm getting it done on Wednesday. I cannot wait, by the way, cannot wait. First time in about 2.5 years. So I have a lovely lady that does my hair, and she was very excited when I told her. She was like, send me a picture and of what it's like now and tell me what it is you'd like. So loads of blonde highlights, decided too dark, so my mum will be pleased. Yeah, Steve likes it as it is, and I must say I don't mind, but I just kind of think, right, I've had enough of my natural colour. The greys are coming in, so kind of change it up a wee bit. I get distracted there. Anyway, so there's lots of things. So when I had the dogs, I got to try. Some of them you'll get a box, other ones you will get a voucher. So when they send the voucher through, I am not very successful. So I got a voucher for a flea collar for Buster, but you had to go to Pets at Home to pick it up, and I didn't do that. And then I discovered that it was like £35 for the flea collar. Anyway, it wouldn't have fitted his neck, it turned out it was too small. And then after that, I received, I'm trying to think what it was. I can't remember, but recently I received the Duracell battery trial, which is fantastic. Just before Christmas, great time. I put it in my little lights. Then recently I received one for Gourmet Garden, which was a vegetarian kind of brand that does sausages and burgers and things like that. However, I could not get it at my Tesco, could not get it at my Morrison's, could not get it at my Sainsbury's. So I did get a free penny, so a free apron and this voucher. But I've still got it in my bag, should I kind of happen to find any I'll pick it up, and it means you don't have to pay for it. But this, I must admit, has been one of my best ever boxes. So if you want me to do another video on the different things that that you can potentially get freebies from, because I did that before I did YouTube, lots of little kind of freebies that I signed up for, and things were always coming in the post, and I can do a video on that. So it's from things like, at the moment I'm trialing products, I do that as well. So there's sites that you can go on and sign up, and you get to try, what was the last one I think I did? It was fairy laundry soap or something like that. So I can do another video if you're interested. But Influenster, I must admit, it's a bit of a wait and see, but it will happen for you one day. Just kind of go in, do your snaps, do your reviews, kind of make friends with people, and once they come, you'll start noticing that you get more and more survey invitations. You might not be suitable, so they might be doing a shampoo for dry hair and you've got oily hair, so that would rule you out straight away. But you get the option to opt in or opt out. You don't, it does say, will you post this on social media? And I would always say, you know, they want reviews for these things, so I would say yes, you know, post it on social media. They're not expecting a lot. They'll give you some text, some blurb to add it in with your post. So I received this box last week. Now, they get back to you and say you're in, which is fantastic. So I was really excited. I thought this was just going to be one thing. So this is my... I see lots of people on American channels and their influencer boxes, you know, they're always getting boxes like this, but for me this is the first ever box that I've got like this that I'm really excited about. So it's Aveeno, which is an amazing skincare brand. I'm going to show you it. So it's for sensitive skin. So I have been having some issues with my skin being a little bit sensitive recently. This is what comes inside the box. So the box is branded as well, which I love that. So it tells you that it's tested on sensitive skin, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic and fragrance free. So it has prebiotic oats, which help soothe and repair skin by restoring the skin's moisture barrier, and calming feverfew with antioxidant properties helps to calm the skin. So it tells you a little bit about the oat cleanser, the toning lotion, the triple oat serum and the gel moisturiser. So there you go. And it tells you a little bit on the back. So get started with your campaign on the Influencer app, try your products and then write honest reviews. There is no pressure to write anything that is dishonest. You just give them your views and what you think. And then it says post on Instagram. So that is their medium of choice, I've noticed. So if you don't have an Instagram account and you fancy doing this, set one up. I'm Sparkly Lynette on there, and I will be more than welcome to happy to be your friend, to help you get some numbers. And it says post a photo on Instagram tagging, and it gives you the tags, and then it says check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure. So there you go. So this is what you get, a little bit about the brand, and you get your products. So this is my best ever box so far. This is all free, by the way. Did not cost me a penny. Didn't cost me a penny in postage or packaging. You just sign up. There is nothing dodgy about it. You know, they don't ask for your credit card details. They don't ask you to do anything other than write honest reviews and post to Instagram. There'll be some hashtags for you to use, and that will be so that they can actually just check that, you know, if they can check in. Aveeno will want to check back to see what the reviews were and how well these, I don't know how many people got this box either. So yeah, it even says on the box, launch the app, raise your voice, show the world, and then recycle the box. So Poppy will love this box. So this will probably either be used for a friend's meal or it'll go to Poppy. Hello Poppy, you coming over? So what do I have in here? I have Calm and Restore, and it is soothing oat toning lotion for skin pH balance, and it's fragrance free, gently removes impurities and leaves the skin feeling soothed for normal to dry skin. So, but it does say for sensitive skin, but normal to dry skin, so looking forward to trying that. It does look like it's got kind of like oaty water, doesn't it? The next one here, I'm not doing them in any order, by the way. You can tell because I've got the cleanser here. This is the Nourishing Oat Cleanser, Calm and Restore, gently cleanses and hydrates to preserve skin's moisture barrier, so normal to dry. and it's a prebiotic. Oh, and it's 200 mils, I should have said that. These are both 200 mils, and I do love a cleanser with a pump because increasingly my hands find it difficult if it's a tube. It gets to the end to squeeze it. There is also a triple oak serum, and there's 30 mils of that. It says instantly smooths skin and restores your moisture barrier. There you go. So I will use this all in one go. So I will obviously have to bump this up before other things that I'm trying, so that I can do an honest review of it. So I want to at least be able to have used it for a week. So that's that. I even like the packaging actually. There's something really nice about it. What are you doing over there, you wee monkey? Non-comedogenic, I can't say that word, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic. Shake before use, cotton pads, blah blah blah. So it gives you instructions as well on the back. That's really good. This is non-foaming as well, which is probably means there's no like things that foam can sometimes be drying to the skin and the hair. So often you'll find shampoos that don't have any sulfates won't foam up as much as something that does have, so that's actually not a bad thing that it doesn't foam. And this is Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturiser, fragrance free, instantly soothes and replenishes skin moisture barrier. So that's 50 mils. There we go. So we've got the whole collection here, which I think is fantastic. It doesn't say whether this is a day cream or a night cream, so I'm assuming that you could potentially use it as both. To be honest with you, if it just says moisturiser, I use it during the day, but if it says night cream, I use it at night. But I don't think there's anything to stop you using it. I think night cream might just be a bit thicker. So that's what it kind of looks like. It looks really oaty, doesn't it? So I got the cleanser, the toner, the serum and the moisturiser. I don't actually know, the only thing I really know about Aveeno is that I have tried their body lotion. Other than that, I have not tried any of their other products. This must be new as well, because usually they only give you things that are new to try. So the Duracell were new batteries that they were trying out, and this Gourmet Garden's possibly a new brand of plant-based food, which is possibly why I can't find it in my stores, because I know that other people have, because they've posted their updates. And yeah, follow the Influenster Instagram page. I'll put all the details above. But as I say, if you want to find out more about the companies that I use to get freebies from, or that I used to use to get freebies from, let me know and I'll be happy to do a video. And actually, we could do a video and actually explore what I have been getting from them. So get back into that. It takes a little bit of time, but it doesn't take you too long. Most of it's online anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you've ever had an Influenster box. I know that a lot of my American and Canadian friends get amazing boxes. I saw one recently that was hair care for curly hair. It looked amazing, but this is the best one I've ever had. That's not just one single product. So, yep. Let me know, sign up for the app, it's free, it doesn't take any time, just go in. What I did initially was I went through the house and snapped everything, so you can take your own pictures as well, you can scan the barcodes, all the rest of it, and I just uploaded everything that I was using. I was obsessed with it, and as I say, oh, it tells you, so this isn't even as part of the trial. So it says home use test 98 participants, so 92% agreed skin felt instantly smooth. So this is not as part of their trial. I do a trial with a company and I've had loads of different stuff through them. So I might do a video about that for you, as well as other freebies. Let me know if you're interested, if not, I won't do it. So let me know, get on the Influenster. If you have a box, let me know, I'd be interested to know what you've had. But yeah, I find within about a year, you know, that's probably, it took about a year and a half before I got my first survey from them. I wasn't successful, but you know, some of it will be like, I think I'm still listed as having a dog, so you get cat food to try, cat milk, dog food, loads of different things. I had one that came through, do you have children? Well, mine's are older, so, but yeah, get on the app, do the profile, update the snaps, review your product, and you will get a box eventually. That's all I can say. Just be patient, because I was impatient initially, but you will get something eventually. Okay, take care. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.